जैसे पहले सचिन जब नहीं आए थे जब क्रिकेट में, तो उससे पहले भी क्रिकेट के स्टार्स थे, दोज वर प्लेइंग, ठीक है। तो देन जब जैसे कपिल देव जी वो लोग रिटायर हो रहे थे, तो पीपल यूज्ड टू से कि अब क्या होगा टीम का, लेकिन स्टार्स दे कम अप, ठीक है। तो देन सचिन ही इज टेकिंग रिटायरमेंट, तो लाइक वी शुड नॉट पुट अ क्वेश्चन ऑन हिम लाइक वेदर ही शुड टेक रिटायरमेंट और नॉट. Team will play, life will go on, and there is always first time for everything, so his time is there.
Alright, so just get used to the idea. Yes.
Yeah, I think with he's not playing all the formats, he's given you a signal very much that this is all good thing comes to an end. And I think what we need to remember is that he's given us a brilliant 23 years. Yes. Let's enjoy that. And he wasn't getting any younger. And a lot of people were saying that they'll miss him. There are a lot of people who was putting a big question mark, why is he not going? So people will talk. We are a country of so many people that people will say something or the other. But I think, special player, we have enjoyed him thoroughly, and that's what we need to do.
Okay. Mr. Lal, आपसे ये जानना चाहेंगे कि इस रिटायरमेंट से जो हम वैसे रिएक्शंस तो मीडिया में देख ही रहे हैं from his playing 11, but realistically speaking, when Team India goes out in the middle, in the next test after this one, after the West Indies one, do you think psychologically this is going to play on 11's mind that we don't have Sachin Tendulkar?
Not really. I don't think so.
Does it matter? Does it?
No, it doesn't matter. When you are on the ground, when you are selected as in the 11s, everybody thinks about how they're going to perform, how they're going to win the test matches. Dhoni has a job to do it because he wants to lead in the front and wants to win matches. And one question I just want to this girls has pointed, कि experiment करना चाहिए. Experiment नहीं होता इंटरनेशनल क्रिकेट के ऊपर. वो जगह जो है वो परफॉर्मेंस की जगह है. एक्सपेरिमेंट करना तो आप फर्स्ट क्लास क्रिकेट खेलने से एक्सपेरिमेंट होते हैं. यहाँ इंडिया ए टीम खेलना या इंडिया बी टीम से खेलना, वो एक्सपेरिमेंट उसको कहते हैं. एक्सपेरिमेंट इंटरनेशनल क्रिकेट पे रिजल्ट चाहिए, फर्स्ट क्लास क्रिकेट. तो ये होता है. बट सचिन ने बहुत, मैं समझता हूँ कि 25 साल खेलना कोई आसान, हम तो जो इंटरनेशनल खिलाड़ी टेस्ट मैच से भी ज्यादा अगर खेलता है तो वो उसको हम बहुत महान खिलाड़ी मानते हैं, क्योंकि 50 टेस्ट मैच भी बहुत ज्यादा होते हैं. तो ये सचिन ने तो 200 टेस्ट मैच खेले हैं. मेरे को तो कई बार
era was a little different. Let's not compare that. Final word, Vijay Dahiya. Now, after Sachin Ramesh Tendulkar's retirement, what next for Team India?
I think they have set the standard. In ODI they're number 1, in Test match they're in top 3. So that's what something they have to keep in an eye. And I think they'll definitely miss him. Not only as a player, as a
emotional rather than mental. You agree with him?
Yeah,
final comment from you.
I definitely, you're going to be emotional because he's with the guy, 25 years. It's not about playing cricket. You're traveling together. You are going to the hotels. You are sharing everything. Sorrow and joy, whatever it is. And sports में काफी कुछ होता है. तो ये सब चीजों को अगर आप एक इंसान आपके साथ है, वो अगर जाएगा तो थोड़ा बहुत तो इमोशनल होता ही है. ऐसी नहीं है बात.
तो आप भी यही कह रहे हैं, after Sachin Tendulkar's retirement is going to be emotional rather than mental. That's going to be what next for Team India, right?
Yeah, that's like it depends. Emotional के बाद आप you recover and just go on, get on with the game.
And after being emotionally missing, after being sentimentally missing Sachin Tendulkar, the two different generations of cricketers here on Gen Next are saying that recovery will be made, Team India will move on, and of course we all will wait if at all we have yet another master blaster, Sachin Ramesh Tendulkar. We are not really making any comparisons, but just to end up, I quickly thank both my panelists, and I think we should really say, whenever we look at always say, thank God Sachin Ramesh Tendulkar was born in India. On that note, let's have a huge round of applause bidding farewell to Sachin Tendulkar. And with that, I once again thank my panelists, I thank my audience, and thank you so much for tuning in. It's time to say goodbye. But in case you have any queries, suggestions, whatever you want to talk about, and you would like us to talk about that, you can email us. Our email ID and our postal address is also on your screen. Me and my entire team will take your leave. Thank you so much for tuning in. Namaskar.